Hi and welcome back to our mini-series where we're going to show you some hints and tips around getting the best out of Microsoft Excel. Many businesses use it and this is your chance to learn new skills and wow the people around you with new Excel knowledge. This time we're going to cover the ability to display a date broken down into day, month and year separately. Sometimes you may wish to filter or group data based on some or part of a date, for example maybe a year or a month. Sometimes you may just want to display it differently or add extra details such as what day of the week that is. Excel has got some great functions that allow you to take a date that for example may have come out of your accounts package or have been sent to you as part of an export and convert it into its subsequent parts. We have several ways to do this. The first one is day. If we choose our cell that we want our day to be in, choose the insert function and the function you're looking for is day. You either search for it or find it in the list. Simply choose what date you wish to report on the day of and press OK and it will return that in this instance is the first of the month. I'm going to use my fill handle knowledge to just drop that down for the rest of the table. Another way where you may want to see that is to turn that into day of the week, so we want to see whether that's Monday, Tuesday. Again, we'll choose our insert function button and on this occasion the function we're looking for is text, so we want to take some numeric information and turn it into text. What we know about Excel is it stores data in a number format, so it will know that that particular number, it's normally a 5-digit number, corresponds to a particular day of the week. So if we choose text, highlight the date that we wish to work out the day of the week on, and then it asks us how do we want to format that. We can either choose DDD, which gives us simply Fry for Friday, or if we go with 4 Ds, we get the full word, so Friday. We'll press OK. And once again, we'll drop that down to the bottom of the list. We now want to pull out the month. To do that, we go to our insert function, and there is a month function. And again, just asks us for our date field, and we press OK, and this will return what month that date sits in. And as we did with day of the week, we can pull out the month name as a more user-friendly way of displaying it. So we'll go back to our insert function. And again, we're looking for text because we're taking what's already in a numerical format because that's what a date is in Excel. And we want to convert that into text. We choose our value, which is our date. And our format is either MMM, if we want the 3-character month, or if we want full characters, we go with 4, and that gives us the full word January. And once again, we'll drop that to the bottom of the table. And finally, we want to return a year. It's exactly the same as what we did with month, so we go to insert function. There is a year function, so we press OK, choose our date, and then we can drop that down to the bottom of the table. Thank you for joining us in our Excel series. Tune in next time where we'll be covering more features, more functions and more formulas. Thank you.